Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to connect Skrill to PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top side of the screen, we have the Add, Transfer and Exchange buttons. In the bottom, we have 5 tabs. We have the Home tab, the Car tab, the Crypto, Sports, and the Rewards tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Skrill to PayPal. So open the Skrill app or go to the Skrill website and log into your account. Go to Withdraw, navigate to Withdraw section, and then what you need to do after going to the Withdraw section, choose the option to withdraw funds to PayPal. After you have done that, enter your PayPal email address and confirm the transaction. Once connected, you can now easily transfer funds from your Skrill account to your PayPal account in just a few seconds. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.